Namaste students, Kushra Vidya. I, JVN Dr. Vaijendra Kala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about actin. Actin is a family of globular multifunctional proteins that forms a microfilament. It is found in essentially in all eukaryotic cells where it may be present at a concentration over 10 millimolar. So its mass is roughly about 42 kilo Dalton with a diameter of 4 to 7 nanometer. The actin protein is a monomeric subunit of two type of filaments in the cell. That is the microfilaments, one of the major components of a cytoskeleton, and the thin filament is a part uh, and a part of the contractile apparatus for the muscles contraction in the muscle cells. It can be present in either in a free monomer called the G-actin or as a part of the linear polymer microfilaments called the F-actin, or which is called filamentous actinose, both of which are essential for such an important cellular functions as the mobility and contraction of the cell during the cell division. Here, the mobility means the ability of an organism to move independently using a metabolic energy, and which helps in the mobility can be described as the ability of an object to move or having a genetic determination for the during the effects in the environment or change during the environmental impact. So the actin participate in many of the important cellular processes, including the muscles contraction, cell mobility or cell division, and cytokinesis, or a vesicles and cell organelle movements or cell signaling, which help in maintaining the cell junction and cell shape. So many of these processes are mediated by extensive and intimate interaction of the actin with cellular membrane. So in most of the vertebrates, the three main group of actin isomer alpha, beta, gamma has been identified. The alpha actin, all found in the muscles tissue, are of major constituent of the contractile apparatus, and the beta and gamma actin coexist in most of the cell type as a component of the cytoskeleton. And as a mediator of the internal cell mobility, it may be believed that a diverse range of a structure formed by acting the or enabling such a large range of functioning regulated by the tropomyosin along with the filament. The cell ability to dynamically forms the microfilaments provide a scaffolding that allows it for a rapid remodel itself in response to the environmental or any other internal signals. For example, of a cell adhesion or a cell tissue or other enzyme or an organelle such as cilia can be anchored or scaffold can occur, which allows a endocytosis or a cytokinesis. Okay. So actin therefore contribute to the process which is an intercellular transport of vesicles and organelles as well as the muscles contraction and cellular migration. So which important role in embryogenesis also, healing a wound, investing or where the cancer cells or evolutionary origin of actin can be traced in prokaryotic cells also. So it's a homology to the prokaryotic and archaea polymerized into a different helicals and linear filament consisting of a multiple strands. So large number of illness or disease are caused by the mutation in the alleles or genes which is regulated by the production of actin, its associated proteins. So the production of actin is also a key process of infection by some pathogenic microorganisms. So the mutation in different genes that regulates the actin production in human can cause muscles disease or a muscular disease or related to the size and shape and function of a heart or deafness, or makeup of a cytoskeleton can be related to the pathogenicity of a bacteria or virus also, and which is also in related to the action of an immune system. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss in the problem solving session.